Riccos Bar. Just seeing what it's like here. There's even a rainbow to welcome us if you look out there. Get a bit closer, see if I can get in the shelter. There's a lot of seaweed on the beach now. Oh. See all that? Very faint double rainbow. I've given up on the gimbal, so you'll have to excuse the wobble. Unfortunately, it's not best. Oh, here comes the water. I don't want to get my feet wet again. There's that rainbow though. Whew. It's a bit nippy. Go over here a bit. And one thing I want to stress, I'm not showing a film of the gale because it's a terrible disaster or anything. I'm just showing it because it's beautiful in its own right. I mentioned that because some people, the last one, were going, oh, call that a storm. Well, frankly, for Paphos we do. It doesn't mean that we consider it life-threatening, we just think it's different. It makes a change from the sun. Anything that's different is interesting. Right, that's enough for here. Onwards to, I think I'll go to SODAP next. I'm now going up to a SODAP beach bar and their lookout. It's a nice view. Again, apologies if you can't hear me. Someone putting some scaffolding down already. Not really the best type of weather for that. Here we go. Use the wobble. Certainly bracing. There's still a jogger out, which is quite impressive. I was impressed in the last week how many joggers there were about. I wasn't expecting any this time because it's still raining. Oh, they're doing some work in the actual cafe. There you go. Anyway, I'll do for here. Now onto the seafront itself. I'll probably do that as a separate film though. We'll just have a little snippet in here. Or we can go and have a quick look at the beach actually. A few bits and bobs on the beach, but not too much damage. Hello. Something big in the water there. Looks like a boy from somewhere. I was going to think about walking along outside there, but it's obviously picking up a bit now, so that's not going to happen. Oh, that's good. So yes, there's a big buoy out there. I think about here I'm safe. Famous last words. Let's just get a bit of that. That'll look good in slow motion, I think.